Hi, I am Savita from Sabbu's Kitchen. Today's special is hot chocolate stirrers, an unique item for kids. It is like milkshakes, which is completely homemade and without preservative. Today, let's prepare 5 flavors: cream and cookie, butterscotch, strawberry, rasmalai, and double chocolate. Melt the chocolate using double boiling method as shown in my first video. I am using white chocolate for strawberry, rasmalai and butterscotch. Let's start with strawberry stirrer. White compound chocolate, oil based red color and oil based strawberry essence. Take melted white chocolate in a bowl, add oil based red color and oil based strawberry essence. Note that you should not use water based colors and essence for chocolate. You should use oil based colors or gel colors. Mix it well. Take a small disposable paper cup, pour the mixture into it. Tap the cup to avoid air bubbles. Garnish with chopped cherry and insert an ice cream stick. Refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. The next flavor is butterscotch stirrer. For this we need melted white compound chocolate, butterscotch nuts, butterscotch oil based essence, yellow oil based color. Take a bowl, pour melted chocolate in it, add crushed butterscotch nuts, add oil based yellow color and butterscotch essence. Mix it well. I am using a cupcake paper cup for a different design. Put it in the cup. Tap to avoid air bubbles. Garnish with butterscotch nuts. And insert an ice cream stick. Keep it in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start making the rasmalai stirrer. Required ingredients are melted white chocolate, pista, almond, elachi, dried rose petals and saffron. Crush all the ingredients. Add crushed ingredients into the melted chocolate and mix it well. Pour the mixture into the disposable cup. Tap the cup. Garnish with crushed ingredients and insert a stick. Keep it in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. The fourth flavor is cream and cookie stirrer. Required ingredients are white melted chocolate, milk melted chocolate, and crushed Oreo cookies. Cream and cookie stirrer has two layers. First layer is white chocolate with cookie and second layer is milk chocolate with cookie. Take melted white chocolate in a bowl, add crushed cookie and mix it well. Pour the mixture into the paper cup. Tap the cup to avoid air bubbles. Refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it sets, the first layer is ready. And now we need to prepare the second layer. Take melted milk chocolate in a bowl, add crushed Oreo cookies, mix it well. Pour the mixture on the top of the first layer. Tap the cup. Garnish with Oreo cookie. Insert an ice cream stick and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. The fifth and final flavor is double chocolate stirrer. Required ingredients are melted milk chocolate, boost and cocoa powder. Take melted milk chocolate in a bowl, add boost and cocoa powder. Mix it well. Pour the mixture into the paper cup. Tap the cup to avoid air bubbles. Garnish with cocoa powder. Insert a stick or you can use plastic spoon also. Keep it in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the stirrers are hard, unwrap them slowly. I have shown only 5 flavors, but you can make other flavors like choco chip, roasted almond, pista, coffee and so on. The ingredients quantities depends on your taste and liking. For example, if you like boost, add more quantity of boost. The yummy stirrers are ready to taste. Let's see how to use them. Take hot milk with sugar in a glass. Dip the stirrer. Stir it slowly. It's ready to drink now. You can have either hot stirrer or cold stirrer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel. PDF of the recipe will be available in the description.